Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve tab glitch on the application of Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve tab glitch on Roblox, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we go to click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page, you will search about this window of Roblox. After that you'll enter to first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix your problems on Roblox app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.